The Simla Conference of 1945 was a meeting between the Viceroy of India Lord Wavell and the major political leaders of British India at the Lodge in Simla. Lord Wavell invited a conference of 21 Indian political leaders at the summer capital British India to discuss the provision of Wavell Plan, eventually permitted by the Home authorities to set the ball of negotiations rolling. The Viceroy, Wavell, ordered on 14 June 1945 the release of all the Congress Working Committee members and invited them along with others, notably the League leaders, to join in a conference in Simla, 24 June, 14 July 1945, for setting up a new executive council at the centre, as according to Wavell Plan. While attending the conference, the Congress naturally refused to be treated as a caste Hindu body and, asserting its secular nationalist character, staked the right to select the representatives of any community, including Muslims, of whom Azad and Abdul Khan presented themselves in Simla in the capacities of the leaders and distinguished members respectively of the Congress delegation. As the Congress nominees to the council, the Muslim League objected to the Congress stand and claimed an absolute jurisdiction for choosing all the Muslim members of the council. Further, the League demanded a communal veto by asking for a majority in the proposed council instead of a simple one. In his anxiety for encouraging the League's posture and brushing aside the Congress offer to join the council by keeping to open for the League to step in later, the Viceroy Wavell abruptly decided to abandon the British proposals and dissolve the Simla Conference. Thus, his actions not only implied an official recognition of League's monopoly but also the power to negate any future negotiation that did not suit its own convenience. Thus, the Simla Conference failed in its objective and set the trend for the immediate topics that would dominate discourse until Indian independence. Thus, it turned out so that the Wavell Plan that was proposed to resolve the political deadlock that existed during that time, it rather due to disagreements